Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to remove board subscriber on Monday.com. Maybe you have a team member that no longer need to receive updates and to have access from a particular board. So today I'm going to show you how to remove board subscriber on Monday.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Monday.com application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see all your active boards. Here, find the specific board that you want to remove subscriber. For example, I'm going to remove a member on this board. So simply tap on it. In this board page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with various options. In this menu, you will see this board members option. Simply tap on it. Here, you will see all the members who have access to this board. Now, to remove a board subscriber, simply tap on this X at the right side of their name. For example, I will remove this subscriber, so I will tap on this X. After that, you now have successfully removed a subscriber on this board. The selected member will now be removed from this list of board members and they will no longer have an access to this board. There you go. If you wanted to know how to remove board subscriber on Monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to remove board subscriber on Monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.